Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is the Road of Dreams. So first of all, I'm really sorry that from a really long time I couldn't uploaded any of my video, and that's because of this lockdown. There were loads of work that were pending on my side, so I was very busy doing all that, but now I am done with that and I have got a nice way of doing all the things in their proper manner. So I will do that, and from now onwards I'll try to be in touch with you regularly and put up as many videos as I can. So today I'll be showing you the products I use as my daily routine makeup, and the products that I really rely on and I have tried it. I'll show you all those products, and I want all of you guys to see it and then use the products and tell me that how do you find it. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, the first product is Lotus Herbal Safe Sun sunscreen. This is my most favorite. Every time when I am stepping out of the house, I will apply this because sunscreen is the must. Because sun rays, the sunlight, it affects our skin very badly. It damages our skin. So for those reasons, for safety purpose, I always apply this sunscreen whenever I step out. I am doing makeup or not, irrespective of every fact, I use it daily, regularly. Okay. And the second product is Mama Earth oil free face moisturizer. So this is amazing. All these years I have used many of the moisturizer, but they didn't give me the result this one gave me. So I'll ask all of you to please use this and then tell me that how do you liked it. And the specialty of this moisturizer is that it contains apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar is very good for our skin. So just guys, use it and come back to me. I'm sure you're gonna love it. The third thing is Lakme 9 to 5 Mousse Foundation, because I'm not a person who likes wearing foundation much because it's very heavy. Sometimes we feel coverage ka problem, so I don't like wearing foundation much, except some of the wedding functions and all, and if the purpose demands so. Otherwise I always use this face mousse foundation, lightweight. It's very lightweight and it makes your skin very glowy. So use this is in the shade Rose Ivory. I also use caramel shade, so it's for my skin tone, but it have a lot of shades in this, so you can go with your skin tone. Fourth thing is face powder. I always use loose powder to bake after applying all this because I have a oily face. So sometimes, in the nose bridge or cheeks or forehead or chin, I get oily, oily texture. So I bake it by this, and it has come with also many of the shades. So you may go with your skin type, your skin tone. I am using soft caramel, that is in the R34 shade. It's Dazzler Intex face powder, and it's amazing, guys. It has given me really good results. After that, Wet n Wild blush, and it's in the shade Mellow Wine. This is the packaging. The packaging is really nice, and I will show you, swatch it and show you the color, the shade. Guys, this is the shade. It's amazing. Nobody will even, get that you are wearing some blush or anything. It's very natural. That's why I love it a lot, and you must try it. And after that, I have Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio highlighter, and it's in the shade Molten Gold. It's amazing, guys. I love highlighters. Highlighter are my weakness, so I love wearing highlighter. And whenever we are going for dinner party or going out to the club with our friends and all, we must use highlighter because thoda chamakna to banta hai, guys. So obviously use highlighter whenever you are going out raat ke time pe. Din ke time pe it's not necessary because obviously we don't want to shine. It looks a bit weird to me, not to everyone. So this is the highlighter, guys. See, it's amazing. It blends so perfectly in our skin. You won't even realize that okay, something is there. It just shines. See, so it's amazing. Must try. It's from Maybelline New York. So guys, give it a shot. After everything is done, I love doing eye makeup. So I always do eyeliner. काजल लगा रही हूँ नहीं लगा रही हूँ, बट मैं आईलाइनर हमेशा लगाती हूँ, और मैं हमेशा लैक्मे इंस्टा लाइनर ही यूज़ करती हूँ, बिकॉज मेरी आईलिड जो है दैट इज़ नॉट एट ऑल ऑयली, सो ये स्मज नहीं होता. सो आई हैव क्वाइट अ फ्यू शेड इन दिस, बट ब्लैक इज़ द वन आई ऑलवेज यूज़. लाइक मैं कहीं भी जा रही हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस no matter what. So this is Lakme Insta eyeliner, black color. I have blue in this, then I have a green in this. This green is, you know, it's not properly visible, but if you are wearing kajal, dark kajal आपने लगा रखा है, और ये इसका अगर आपने आईलाइनर ऊपर लगाया तो इट लुक्स अमेजिंग गाइस. ट्रस्ट मी, ये सारे कलर्स आप ट्राई कीजिए, एंड अगर आपको पसंद ना आए तो आप मुझसे कहना, आई एम श्योर आपको पसंद आने वाले हैं. एंड देन आई हैव अ गोल्डन टू. सो ये गोल्डन मैं तब यूज़ करती हूँ जब मैं ऑलरेडी मैंने ब्लैक आईलाइनर लगाया है, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पार्टी और क्लबिंग, गोइंग समथिंग. सो मैं इसका टचअप देती हूँ लास्ट पे टुवर्ड्स द एंड. इट लुक्स वेरी क्लासी. एंड लास्टली कलर क्वींस का आईलाइनर, इट्स इन द शेड यू नो सी ग्रीन. सो ज़रूरी नहीं है, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग ब्लू यू हैव ग्रीन, तो यू इट्स ओके, यू कैन नॉट हैव इट, नॉट अ बिग डील. एंड या काजल इज़ द मस्ट. दो अभी मैंने काजल नहीं लगाया है, बट मैं जब भी काजल लगाती हूँ मैं यूज़ करती हूँ FC काजल, और लोटस का लोटस और ये FC, ये दोनों काजल आर माई कंप्लीट एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छे काजल है, बिल्कुल एक स्ट्रोक पे आपको डार्क काजल मिलेगा, एंड वेरी सॉफ्ट. यू नो, ऐसा नहीं कि आपको दर्द हो रहा है या आपको बार बार ऐसे रब करना पड़ रहा है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. It's very nice. Try this FC or Lotus. Last but not the least is not last, actually second last. The is Maybelline ka mascara. It gives volume to your eyelashes, so I always use this only, voluminous mascara from Maybelline. And the last product is lip color, and this is from Sugar Scarlett O'Hara. So the shade is. This is the shade, guys. I mean, the one I'm wearing right now, and it's amazing. I totally love the shade, and you won't believe that if you apply it somewhere, you can use it as your blush too. Okay, so you can smudge it like this, and then apply, and you can rub it like this, and you can have a good shade of blush. So these were my daily products that I use on a daily basis, and my every makeup look, whatever I'm doing, I will be using all these products for sure, because I'm not too much into makeup and all, but I obviously, being a girl, I love doing makeup. Whenever I go out, I used to get ready and all, so I am obviously all the time I'm using all this product for I don't know how to say, but trust me, before few years, my skin was really suffering a lot because of some products that were really harming my skin. I don't know exactly which products they were, but I got many of the acne and pimple problem by that. But from the time I'm using all this product, I am very happy. Obviously, this is rainy season and we will have pimple or acne somewhere or the other. But yeah, these products are not damaging my skin at all, and I'm really very happy that I started using all this, and these are used by me. I have used all this, and then I'm giving you the review. So please guys, try this all this what do I say okay, try all these products, and then let me know in the comment section that how do you like it. And till then, I will be thinking of doing something else for the video, and I'll make sure that this time I'm not going anywhere, and I'll be in touch with you and keep uploading videos as much as I can. So till then, take care guys, stay safe, stay home, and just pray that this lockdown gets really over real soon. That's what I'm also praying. And I love you a lot guys, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel. And all the viewers who are new to this channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, do share it with your friends, and hit the bell button, that so whenever I put any new video, you will get the notification of it. Bye bye.